Hello and welcome back, I'm EVM. Now, my beautiful and stunning wife seems to think I'm going through some sort of midlife crisis. I have no idea what she's talking about, even though I have just bought a 17-year-old two-seater convertible. Yes, before anybody mentions it, it's not electric because there is no such thing as a two-seater convertible full electric vehicle, and certainly not on the used market, and no, the smart car doesn't count. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about restoring this thing here, which I bought at auction, back to its former glory, using the detailing skills that I used to have, or hopefully still have, from when I used to be a professional detailer. So we're talking full decontamination of the paintwork, a full clean and protection of the fabric roof, a full clean and protection of the real leather interior, which is harder to look after than the new kind of plastic stuff, ironically. And of course then it will be machine polishing the paintwork, correcting it to get all the swirls and scratches out, so you get that perfect, or as good as perfect reflection. So let me introduce you to the car, the state it's in, lots of cleaning, lots of paint correcting, and then ending with ceramic coating. Here she is, the Audi TT Mark 1 convertible 3.2 V6, and she spent the last 10 years of the 17 effectively parked in somebody's garage or warehouse, I'm not sure where, not been touched, kind of been, I would say, looked after but unloved, never washed or anything like that. So this thing has got a ton of grime on it, a load of just, I don't know, ground in dirt. The paintwork feels like it's sandpapered, and it's only done 41,000 miles, which for a 17-year-old car is extremely low. The fabric roof here, I mean, you can see if I just bang it there, there's just dust flies out of it anytime you bang it. It's like an oily residue, so this definitely needs a proper clean and protect, so that's more waterproof. You can't just use shampoo on a fabric roof, you have to use something more specialised. This is just, again, like sandpaper. If I just come around the back here, you see now, so that isn't just a bit of dirt that needs taking care of, that is dirt of 10 years or so. So I wouldn't call this a barn find, you know, Johnny Smith isn't waiting around the corner, but it has been sat in someone's garage, not really been touched or used for ages, and you can see again all this grounding dirt around there. As you can see there, it's just I don't know, left. I feel like I've got a barn find that's not a barn find. So, right, let me get started. The first thing to do is the fabric roof. I'll see you in what will be, for me, several days, and for you, a YouTube video away from this, hopefully, looking, well, back to its original self. Thanks for watching that, guys. If you're wondering why the wheels weren't really touched or the tyres, they're getting refurbed and the tyres are getting replaced for some decent ones. So yeah, I just kind of left them, but that's it. 3-4 days worth of work done, complete. My body is broken now. Now I just have to wait for the sun to come out properly. I will put a link in the description below, actually, to at least a good portion of the cleaning products I use, if you're bothered. So yeah, that's it now. I'm going to bed. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.